Hey everyone, welcome back to the show where we dive deep into entertainment, media, and everything in between. Today's hot topic, the OTT takeover. Is Bollywood losing its box office charm?
Grab your popcorn and your phone because the silver screen war has gone digital.
Like कि OTT is taking over the Bollywood and cities में भी OTT काफ़ी बढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं. So what do you think कि बॉलीवुड का क्या इसमें रोल होगा और बॉलीवुड कैसे बढ़ेगा आगे इसमें?
Because there are these two things. First, OTT. First, let's talk about the visual medium in itself. The more active perspective of visual medium is it is reachable. आपके गांव में भी बैठा हुआ कोई इंसान अगर उसके पास फ़ोन है अगर उसके पास ऐप है वो फिल्म देख सकता है. उसको थिएटर जाके टिकट खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जहाँ थिएटर्स नहीं है वहाँ भी OTT पहुँच रही है. So that is where the reach has reached. It has reached to the villages. It has reached to basic people who don't have the means to visit the city and watch a film. And that is why it has been adapted and it has been accepted by so many people. So when we are talking about OTT, we are also talking about variety of themes that they are showing, variety of stories that they have brought in front. So if you're talking about Bollywood, you're only talking about Hindi cinema. Whereas OTT has taken over the market of all regional films, all films that are in different languages as well. So I think there are these very two different aspects of storytelling. And if we start comparing them, then it will be very difficult to bring them to the same platform because the platforms are very different.
Once upon a time, a Bollywood release was an event. People stood in long lines. Popcorn tubs were pre-ordered and the first day first show was a badge of honor. Now we stream premieres in pajamas.
I think कि हॉलीवुड का इसमें कितना मतलब डिक्लाइन होगा?
देखो हॉलीवुड का डिक्लाइन तब होगा जब हॉलीवुड अच्छी फिल्में बनाना बंद कर देगा.
हाउ मच डू यू थिंक कि आई थिंक एक रियलिस्टिक जॉनरा ज़्यादा फैल रहा है OTT में. जैसे हमारे पुराने ज़माने की 90s की फिल्म्स होती थी उसमें एक हमारा एक अलग मज़ा होता था गानों का सबका. तो आई थिंक आपके हिसाब से वो फन एलिमेंट है मूवीज़ का जैसे डांस फीचर्स हो गए जैसे तो ये कितना अपना सिग्निफिकेंस खो रहा है आपके हिसाब से?
Music, dance, action, sensitive content, these were all used to attract audience. Now you have to understand, जिस दौर की आप बात कर रहे हो विच इज़ द 90s, टीवी पे लोग फिल्में नहीं देखते थे. लोग फिल्में सिर्फ थिएटर में देखते थे. एंड थिएटर व्यूइंग इज़ अ कम्युनिटी एक्सपीरियंस where you need a song for everyone to connect, where you need a dance or maybe a fight scene for everyone to feel that anger or that heroism. When you're watching it on your phone or when you're watching it in a TV alone in a room, you don't need all of those things. So that is where the storytelling is also changing. Suddenly, if you see all of those things, I'm sure you will skip the song. When you're watching a film on your mobile phone, you will like if song तो हमने already release हो चुकी है हमने देख लिया है, let's move to the story part. But in a theatre, that is an experience. So if you see a film which will be shown on a theatre, you will enjoy. The people will dance, people will sing along. But when they watch it in the film in their own bedrooms or maybe drawing rooms, they will skip the songs because they know that that's not part of the story. तो ये जो था ये एक development और evolution of storytelling है throughout the time. Again, there will be songs in OTTs which will be featuring these kind of content. Like again coming back to Hiramati, there are so many songs, but that is the basis of the story because we're talking about people who sing songs. That is something which they do for their living. Similarly, there are other OTT series which focus on songs because they're talking about maybe a film actor's story or someone who is a performer, which is not required. Otherwise, in a screen theater, you will need the songs to hold the attention of the audience. So that is where the difference is.
That's all for today's episode. Share your insights in the comments, especially if you are in media, film, or tech. We would love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to subscribe for more sharp takes and smart conversations. Until next time, stay curious, stay critical, and keep watching.